Welcome to Locally guys. These are branding sessions. We had our own name for this called Locally Dolls. Monthly once or twice, everyone had a habit of going to restaurant and tasting varieties. Ever wondered, we are hypnotized to come to restaurants and also we used to eat a lot of food in restaurant than normally we eat at home. If we are at home, we used to eat very less quantity of food even though we are hungry. At an opposite point of this, if we go to restaurant with friends or family outing, we tend to eat more than our normal eating limits. Not only the food tastes good, but you don't know the hidden things behind it and the reason you order more in quantity and eat a lot of food in restaurants. Want to know those hidden things? Let's look into them. Starting from opening of the door, everyone's first impressions will be the interior look and photo frames describing the food varieties. Restaurants attract the visitors' first sight with having an attractive interior design and classy furniture. The interiors and furniture will give a warm and build a sense of attractiveness and delight. Restaurateurs used to hang wall posters of their best food product images to depict how best the restaurant prepares the food, and it is a strategy to seduce visitors by the mouth-watering images. Some go beyond making custom food promotional videos describing the varieties and best of their food items. Coming to menu card, every restaurant is careful in selecting the font, typeface and graphics to attract and give a sense of fresh and boldness. They highlight the dishes that are less performing with attentive graphics and rest of the items are mentioned in normal font with no emphasis. This is the reason most of the people get attention to the emphasized graphics and develop a sense of ordering them first. It is a kind of mind diversion and drawing attention technique used by restaurateurs. When you see the walls and lights inside the restaurant, they use bright and warm colors painted to the walls. Those colors will excite our brains and make to eat more than normally. The lightings will be dim, arranging spotlights on top of the table, making them to feel like a pleasant night or having a candlelight dinner. One crazy thing is no one can track what others are eating. Music. Music makes our mind fresh, refresh and peaceful. Not limited to famous ones, many restaurants play slow music. It also had a hidden strategy that slow music will make the people to act slow and steady. Slow music will not only slow down eating but also makes people to sit for longer and the restaurateurs can sell more food to them. Finally, before finishing to eat, waiters used to clean the empty plates and cups and make the table clean and tidy. It also had a strategy that to show customers how good they are at immediate cleaning. Not only that, it makes the table empty and clean so that we are tuned to order something by forgetting the past orders. Finally, before finishing to eat, waiter comes and asks us for any milkshake, salad, ice cream or a juice. This is a sales strategy to inflate the cost of the total bill and to make the sales of fruits and ice cream stock. Some restaurants give you extra sauce packets or sugar packets that we can take to home. They print their brand names on top of the sachets. Whenever people see the sachets, those remind people of the restaurant food items. This is another kind of technique that restaurateurs use to retarget people to make them to revisit the restaurant for a particular food item. Advertisements are great for retargeting the customers and attracting new people to the food items served in the restaurant. The ads will hypnotize, seduce, attract and make us to walk to the restaurant. These are some of the strategies used by intelligent restaurateurs to attract the people, making them to reach out to restaurant and after visiting making us to eat more than what we eat regularly. Their business is to sell us more and more dishes and attract us to stick to their unique taste. Okay then, you got new things learned in our branding sessions. Do subscribe our channel. Also please like and share the video to all your friends as they will get to know the new things.